morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Sarah Ferguson, and it's my pleasure to be your customer service manager on board this flight to Washington. I would like to add my personal welcome to you all, and welcome back our Executive Club members and One World frequent flyers. If there is anything we can do to make your journey more comfortable, please let us know. We recommend that you keep your seatbelt fastened whenever you are seated, and it must be securely fastened when the seatbelt sign is on. Ladies and gentlemen, we do have some information to help you on arrival in Washington. If you are travelling under the US Visa Waiver Program to the US or transiting the US, you should have already completed an ESTA, the Electronic System Travel Authorization Online. US citizens, Canadian citizens and green card holders do not need to complete this. US citizens, including green card holders and all customers with an ESTA who have arrived in the USA before using an ESTA, should proceed to the automated immigration kiosks, which are clearly signposted. All other customers, including first-time ESTA users, should follow the signs to the visitors lane. Everyone entering the US must complete a customs declaration form. One form is sufficient for each family. Please make sure that you fill in this form carefully. All US citizens, including green card holders, should proceed to the immigration booths marked US residents. All other customers should follow signs to visitors lane. All customers arriving in Washington will need to complete all of their baggage before clearing customs, irrespective of your final destination. If you're connecting to a US domestic flight in Washington and your bag is tagged to the final destination, please drop your bag at the transfer baggage belts located on the right-hand side as you exit the customs hall. If your bag is only tagged to Washington, please proceed to your Onward Airlines check-in counters in the main terminal, one level up from where you exit the customs hall. Lastly, please be aware, in the immigration and customs area, the use of mobile phones is prohibited. Thank you, and we hope you enjoy your flight with us today.